the HEM lighting cable and USB flash drive for iPhone. Connecting the cable, external storage for your iPhone, photos, videos, and contacts, one key backup. Not enough storage for your iPhone? Connect the HEM cable. Open the app letting U-Disk. Click Backup, and then transfer the videos and photos from the iPhone and release the storage. Take photos, videos, and save directly to the cable. Take photos as much as you want. Make your iPhone work as a DV. Save directly to your U8 cable. You can take up to 10,000 pictures. Save directly to your U8 cable. You can take a video more than 24 hours. A portable cinema, you can watch movies anywhere. Support 4K videos, HD movies, playing smoothly on iPhone, iPad via app, watching movies from the HEM cable. The HEM cable can be a normal flash drive for laptop. Convenient storage. Share your offline files. Support fingerprint code to protect your information. Support Apple Touch ID. Encrypt easily. Apple M5 certified. 100% Apple original connector. Improve 33 charging efficiency.
And so the question that you chose to ask, will it be better where we're going? And though the answer I don't know for fact, still my heart is saying, oh yeah.